What's up, y'all? It's Dre Trades, and in one of my previous videos, I told you that my goal is to make $2,000 a week. Now, I know I kind of just threw it out there nonchalantly in that video, but the truth is, I do want to make $2,000 a week, and I do make $2,000 a week. So in this video, this is your lucky day because I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, I know it sounds spammy, but trust me, I have nothing to sell you. I have no books. I have no courses. I have nothing. I want nothing from you, but except to watch this video. Let's get to it. All right, so in this video, you actually get a bonus. You're going to get a bonus of all my trades for the year. Now, remind you, when I'm recording this video, it is February 8th. It's exactly 1:46 p.m. So here's the video. Here are all my trades. Here are the stocks that I trade. Now, this is just one account. Now, I do have other accounts that have similar gains, but not as much P&L. So let's just talk about this one, then I'll explain the other two. So you can see I got Amazon, and the P&L is 7,700, Tesla 4.2, and so forth and so forth. I trade Amazon, Tesla, SPX, and SPY, which is basically the same thing, and I put a little trade on Zoom, took my profits early. Now look at my losses, okay? Right here is the futures, Google, CSX, oh man, and when I just think of these trades, I'm like, oh, I can remember the pain. QQQ and Netflix, which for some reason, I can never trade it. So why do I trade it? I don't know. So I'm going to clean up those red marks and just work on what's working for me. And this is this whole secret to the sauce. This is how you can make $2,000 a week. Now, I'm not going to show you exactly how I do it, but what I am going to show you is how to increase your chances of success by concentrating on a small amount of stocks. I said this in a previous video, and I'm saying again. 4 to 5 the most. Let me see what I got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stocks. I made 5 stocks, and I made $12,423 in profits off of 5 stocks. The losses, but the 5 stocks is all you need. What's important about the 5 stocks or the 4 to 5 stocks is you know how they run. You know what they're going to do. You're learning them. You're learning the insides and out. You don't need to find out the gappers in the morning or what's trending, what's not, what's hot, what's not, what's whack, what's weak, what's going up and down, where the news is at, what's popping, the float, the flame. Who cares? I don't need to know none of that. By the way, none of these are day trades. These are swing trades that I hold on for at least a week. Why get pennies when you can collect hundreds and thousands just by holding on to it? Just find the stocks that are trending. Know your stocks, learn your stocks, and you can increase your profits. Now, let me tell you something. With these red trades that I got, it's all my fault. I just jumped into them like, oh, la, 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 la. And I didn't know what I was doing. So I'm not going to do that no more. I really need to concentrate on not doing that, because what I do is jump into a ticker and I'm like, oh, and I see how juicy it looks, and then I just get it all wrong. By trading my other stocks, I know exactly what they're gonna do. So let's look at Amazon. You see I made the most money with Amazon, 7.7 thousand, and let me show you how I did. Now this is a stock chart of Amazon, and as you can see, my gains were year to date. There's only been 5 weeks. 5 weeks so far this year. So let's take a close look of how Amazon has been running. So here's a chart of Amazon, and right here is the beginning of the year. And you can see Amazon did absolutely nothing. The market has been rocketing up, and Amazon has just been flat. The biggest gain was when it came out with earnings and the thing was up 250 points. And I tell you, those gains that I got, I did not participate. I sold all my positions on that gain. I did a video on it. I was so pissed off because if I was in it, believe me, those gains would have been times 5. But let's get back to it. All right, so we had the pop. We had the pop right here, and it's been slowly on the incline. And just this week, it reached a new high. Now, I was able to extract $7,700 off a stock that's doing absolutely nothing. And if it rips, I'll make even more. The only danger is when I trade, I know I can lose substantial amount of money if the stock just craters because I'm not ready for it. But, you know, that's with any stock. That's with any stock you hold a position overnight. Well, anyway, that's how I do it. I just pick a handful of stocks. 4 to 5 stocks is all you need. You don't need a whole bunch of stocks because all it's gonna do is cause confusion. 4 to 5 stocks, marry those bad boys. Know what they're doing inside, outside, what they want for breakfast, dinner, lunch, where they go to work, where they go to school. You know what I mean? Know everything about that stock, and I guarantee you that your chances of success will increase. Therefore, you know what it's doing, and you could make more money when you trade with a small handful of stocks. That's my biggest tip, and that's what I do. So thanks for watching, man. Hey, I'm Dre Trades on Twitter, Dre Trades on Instagram, and right here on YouTube is This Is Dre. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you could get to $2,000 or whatever value you want by taking the tips in this video. I'm Dre.